What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Guys, today on Stock of the Week, I'm going to be telling you why I just bought some Intuit stock. Now, guys, to be clear, this is an expensive stock, okay? And at first I was like, I don't know if this is such a great idea. But when I looked deeper and deeper into the company, I don't have any regrets. I actually believe that the future of this company is very bright. So I'm going to tell you just a little bit about why I bought some Intuit stock today. Now, first of all, we got to talk about paperwork, okay? Not many people, and you're like, how's paperwork connected? Not many people like paperwork. Okay, I know I'm not a big fan of just doing paperwork. Some people reject it like flat out. Like some leaders of organizations, companies are like, no, we're not doing this. And of course, that's at their own loss. But Intuit, the company that I'm buying this week, their mission is to reduce and make paperwork easier. And I don't know about you, but I can get behind that. So a little bit about Intuit. They're a cloud-based company. They're a tech giant. And again, we're going to come back to this. I know this is a large cap company. They're a tech giant, okay? But I think that there's some money to be made here. They produce QuickBooks. Okay, so you've probably heard of QuickBooks. They make QuickBooks for accounting. TurboTax. They do TurboTax for tax preparation. And so why am I buying this huge company right now? Why? Same as always, guys. I think there's some money to be made here. Now, let's talk about the 4 different business segments real quick, just because if I'm going to be able to explain to you why I think that this company is going to grow even more, we got to break down their business segments. There's 4 business segments here, guys. The first one is small business and self-employed. And with that, you get QuickBooks for payroll, payment processing, financing. Okay? The second segment is consumer. And TurboTax would fall under that category. So they have TurboTax for completing taxes. Mint.com, you might have heard of that. Mint.com for personal finance. So we got those 2. The third segment is ProConnect. ProConnect is an online tax software for professional accountants. So it's aimed directly at professionals. And then finally, we've got the website Credit Karma. And it's a website for recommendations on loans, insurance, checking accounts, and they get a lot of their revenue, or I guess they get all their revenue through with Credit Karma through referral revenue. So just because they refer you to another service, they get a little bit of revenue from that. So what out of those 4 segments, what's generating the revenue? Well, the big 2 are QuickBooks and TurboTax. Those are definitely the big 2 when it comes to Intuit. Definitely the most popular software suites that you may have heard of. And their consumer segment is about to get a huge boost. Of course, the consumer segment's what includes TurboTax. They're about to get a big boost because COVID has delayed tax filings into the 4th quarter, and those are about to hit. Okay? Now, because TurboTax is cloud-based, really all of Intuit, because Intuit is cloud-based, that means that they're going to have high margins. And your data, like when you use one of their products, your data is saved on Intuit's cloud servers. So that's going to encourage people to not switch to another service because all their information is already loaded in on Intuit. So if you've ever used one of their products before, then you know that when you come back and use it again, all your data is there. Now, I've personally used TurboTax for years. I love it. It makes my life so much easier. I'm not here to sell TurboTax to you, but I've used their software and it's good. It's good. And I don't want to switch to another tax service because all of my data is already uploaded onto their website in TurboTax, so I don't have to do a whole lot. If I'm going to file my taxes, TurboTax already knows who I am. All right, when I log in every year, it like knows all my information. Now, the CEO of Intuit, Gudarzi, has led the company into its new horizon, and so management has given 5 doorways to the future for Intuit. And I want to take a look at those real quick because out of the 5 doors, 2 of them really caught my attention. So here they are. First of all, they want to revolutionize speed to benefit. In other words, they want to get people their money quickly. So if you do your taxes with TurboTax, they want you to get that money quick. Get it back to you quick. Same thing with QuickBooks. All right, being able to get money to people quickly. The second thing is they want to connect people to experts, and they're doing that through TurboTax Live, which is a new service where you can talk to a tax professional right there over video, like a Zoom call. So it's called TurboTax Live. So if you buy that service, then you'll have access to experts whenever you need them. The third doorway is they're going to unlock, or they're aiming to unlock smart money decisions. And they're doing that through TurboTax and Credit Karma. And these services are helping people reduce debt, and they're helping get access to different financial products to people, and get that knowledge to people so that they can make those smart decisions about their finances. The next doorway is to be the center of small business growth. And of course, their main product for that is QuickBooks, and they're trying to aid with cash and inventory management for small businesses. And then we've got another one. The fifth doorway is not only are they interested in small business, but they're trying to disrupt the small business mid-market. You know, as businesses grow up a little bit, as they get a little bit bigger, as they're entering into that mid-market, QuickBooks wants to provide a service for those companies as well. And so as they outgrow QuickBooks, QuickBooks becomes QuickBooks Online Advanced. Completely different system. QuickBooks Online Advanced is there to serve their larger customers. And that is their fifth doorway. So 2 of these doorways, guys, are game changers, and I think are going to lead to a lot of growth with Intuit. First is this, the unlock smart money decisions. Now, if you probably had to guess, that's probably not the one you would guess, but here's what I'm excited about. Credit Karma. Right now, they're getting a little bit of revenue from Credit Karma. But you got to realize Credit Karma has a base of 100 million members. That's right, 100 million members are users of Credit Karma. And I'm seeing some future monetization that Intuit can start building around Credit Karma to start getting some money out of that. Guys, this is huge, and that's one of the doorways that they specifically outlined. And honestly, I think this is the best bet for Intuit's continued growth, is that they capitalize on Credit Karma. All right, now the second one that I'm really excited about is the disrupting the small business mid-market. Because right now, they've got software suites for small businesses, and you've got software suites for large businesses. But for that middleman, the ones that are kind of entering into that mid-market, there's not a lot of competition out there right now. And QuickBooks, the new QuickBooks that's kind of designed for this size service, QuickBooks Online Advanced, is there. Not a lot of competition. Honestly, it's the best thing to buy. It's not super expensive. It's the best thing for small businesses that are becoming more mid-sized businesses. Now, there could be some future competition, but right now, it's wide open. And QuickBooks has a name already. And they've been using QuickBooks. So I think that this software suite, QuickBooks Online Advanced, is going to be a big money maker. Now, we could also talk about a bunch of other things. There's the potential for international expansion. That's huge. Management sees a $248 billion opportunity here. $248 billion opportunity. And their trading sales right now are only at $9 billion. $9 billion out of $248 billion. That's only 4% of this perceived opportunity. So Intuit is just barely getting into this huge opportunity. They're only realizing 4% of this opportunity. So I can't wait to see what's going to happen over the next few years. On top of that, they've got $2.9, almost $3 billion in cash flow just last year. Their net cash position is more than $2 billion. So they have a lot of room to invest in these doorways, to invest in research and development. And that's just, you combine all this, and that's why I'm buying Intuit today. That's why I'm buying this stock. Is it an expensive stock? Yes. It's a large cap company. It's an expensive stock. It is. But I see so many years of future growth ahead of this company that I'm not afraid to buy in. I'm not afraid to buy in. And so I'm buying some Intuit stock, guys. I want to know what y'all think. Hit me up in the comments. Also, guys, if you want free stocks, links in the description. Sign up, Robinhood, Webull, whatever. Also, giveaway. We are almost at 250 subs on the channel. When we get to 250 subs, we're doing another giveaway, guys. To enter on the giveaway, like this video. You know the drill. If you've been here, you know the drill. Like the video. Comment on the video. Let me know. Are you buying into it? Are you holding back? What is this for you? Is this a buy? Is this a sell? Or maybe not a sell. I don't know why you'd watch a buy recommendation and sell. Maybe I did a really bad job. I'm not recommending anything. I'm just telling you this is what I did. But tell me about it. So like, comment, make sure you're a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you all have a great week. Remember to dream big, and I'll see you next time.